Hello everyone. On the behalf of Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology and the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, I welcome you all for the video demonstration session on processing of desiccated coconut under capacity building activity of PMFME scheme. Coconut or Cocos nucifera is a member of the family Ericaceae. Every part of coconut tree is useful to mankind and so it is rightly called Kalpavriksha. India ranks third in the world coconut production. The southern states of Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu together contribute to more than 87% of total production. Tall, dwarf and hybrid varieties of coconut are cultivated across the country with an average yield of 80 to 100 coconuts per tree per year. This superfood offers a lot of therapeutic and nutraceutical benefits. Tender coconut water, coconut oil, milk and cream, coconut milk powder, desiccated coconut, coconut sugar and vinegar are some of the popular products. Desiccated coconut is the dried, white, shredded food product manufactured from fresh coconut kernels after removing the brown testa. It retains all the characteristic features and nutrients. Good desiccated coconut is crisp, snow white in color with a sweet, pleasant, and fresh taste of the wet kernel. Desiccated coconut is used in household cooking and processed foods as a substitute to raw grated coconut. 11-month-old coconuts are harvested. A climber climbs by self or using climbing equipments. On reaching the top of the tree, he taps a coconut to test its maturity. Harvested coconuts are stored on the ground for 1 month so that the water inside the kernels is absorbed. The coconuts are usually dehusked manually and the husk goes to be used by coir industry or for fuel. Dehusking can also be done mechanically. Foul-smelling coconuts are rejected. The outer shell of the coconuts is removed manually without breaking the kernel. The brown skin of the coconut, called testa, is removed by scraping it off manually using a paring knife. Kernels are washed with clean water to remove any extraneous material. Kernels are checked for remnant testa or spoilage. Whole kernels are sliced into 2 halves to release the coconut water contained inside. The kernels are immersed in boiling water for 8 to 10 minutes in a blanching tank. Blanching is a crucial step to make good quality desiccated coconut. The kernels are shredded into standard or fancy cuts. The granules produced are of different sizes ranging from 1 to 5 millimeters. The granules are then spread out uniformly in trays and dried up at about 80 to 90 degrees centigrade for 45 minutes. The maximum moisture content of the end product should be 3% for increased shelf life. Drying can also be done using vibratory fluidized bed dryer. The desiccated coconut is cooled to ambient temperature. It is then graded by passing through a vibratory screen with different screens such as 12, 14 and 16 mesh. For bulk sale, it is packed in PE-lined craft paper bags. For retail sale, it may be packed in poly bags of 250 grams or 500 grams. This can be done using form fill seal machine. Desiccated coconut can be packed in poly bags, flexible craft paper and aluminum foil pouches and in plate containers. FSSAI regulations stipulate the details such as name, nutritional information, manufacturing details, best before date, etc. to be mandatorily provided on the package. Till now, we have seen the processing of desiccated coconut demonstration video under PMFME scheme. The Ministry of Food Processing Industries, in partnership with the state, union territory governments, has launched an All India centrally sponsored Prime Minister Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises scheme for providing financial, technical and business support for upgradation of existing micro food processing enterprises. For more details, please visit our web links given here. Thank you.